Looking for the best motorcycle luggage bag for touring, commuting, camping, or adventure riding? In this video, we compare 5 of the best waterproof motorcycle bags for 2026. Featuring quick release systems, large storage capacities, durable waterproof materials, and versatile mounting options, these luggage bags keep your gear safe, organized, and protected on every ride. Number 5. Rhinowalk Waterproof Motorcycle Saddle Bag with MOLLE Panel, available in 20L, 40L, and 65L sizes. This Rhinowalk motorcycle saddle bag features a waterproof design and a MOLLE expansion panel for attaching additional accessories and gear. Its versatile mounting system, spacious interior, and durable construction make it perfect for long-distance touring, adventure riding, camping, and everyday travel. Built for convenience, it delivers dependable storage in all riding conditions. Number 4. Rhinowalk Motorcycle Back Seat Bag 10L divided by 20L divided by 30L. The Rhinowalk Back Seat Bag combines waterproof protection with multifunctional storage in 10L, 20L, and 30L capacities. Easily mounted on most motorcycle rear seats, it can also be carried as a backpack when off the bike. Ideal for commuting, weekend trips, and daily riding, it offers organized storage, durable construction, and reliable weather resistance for all types of motorcycle adventures. Number 3. Rhinowalk Waterproof Motorcycle Side Bag 20L/35L, designed for adventure riders. The Rhinowalk Motorcycle Side Bag offers 20L and 35L storage options with a durable waterproof design and quick-release mounting system. Compatible with many touring and adventure motorcycles, including BMW and KTM models, it provides secure storage for tools, riding gear, clothing, and travel essentials. Its rugged construction ensures dependable performance on highways and off-road trails. Number 2. Waterproof Motorcycle Tail Dry Bag 20L divided by 40L divided by 66L, available in 20L, 40L, and 66L capacities. This waterproof motorcycle tail bag is built for touring, camping, and outdoor adventures. Its roll-top dry bag design effectively protects your gear from rain, dust, and mud, while adjustable mounting straps ensure a secure fit on most motorcycles. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, it can also be carried as a backpack for added convenience during travel. Number 1. Rhinowalk 20L Double-Side Motorcycle Saddle Bag. The Rhinowalk 20L double-side saddle bag is designed for riders who need reliable waterproof storage during long-distance touring and daily commuting. Featuring a quick-release mounting system, durable construction, and waterproof inner bags, it keeps your belongings secure and protected in all weather conditions. Its spacious dual-compartment design provides convenient storage for clothing, tools, camping gear, and travel essentials. These 5 motorcycle luggage bags offer excellent waterproof protection, durable construction, and versatile storage solutions for touring, commuting, and adventure riding. Whether you need side panniers, a tail bag, or a multifunctional saddle bag with expandable storage, these models provide reliable performance, convenience, and outstanding value for every motorcycle journey.